My name is Dan Scolnic. I am a new professor at Duke University. I study astrophysics and cosmology, and I try to figure out what makes up the universe. I am trying to advocate for the WFIRST telescope. So this is one of the successors to the Hubble Space Telescope, and it will attempt to solve our most fundamental questions about the universe. There are two main categories that WFIRST will focus on. So one is cosmology, that's what I work on. That is trying to understand the history of the universe, what makes up the universe, trying to figure out these kind of big questions that we have of dark energy and dark matter. And then the other thing that WFIRST will focus on is studying exoplanets, trying to find planets not in our solar system. You can tell a lot by looking through a telescope. So what I work on is trying to find these special exploding stars called supernovae. And these supernovae are so bright that you could see them kind of far back into the history of the universe. And because of the properties of these supernovae, they give you a glimpse of the size of the universe at the time that they exploded. And if you can find enough supernovae and you have enough glimpses of the history of the universe, you could stitch together your own narrative of how the universe has gotten bigger with time. If you could do that, then you can figure out what makes up the universe. We have a funding profile to make the launch in 2025, and what we're asking for is for Congress to continue funding WFIRST as it has been, so to continue with the ramp-up cycle so that we could hit the launch on time.